I'm sick. I'm gonna order something for the bike. Okay. I'm starting to feel better. Before installing fog lights, you gotta take everything off. Now that you've got it taken apart, take more apart. Make sure you've refilled your really old zip tie container with fresh zip ties. Well, without all the crap, I'll run you through here. These are the fog light pieces of leftover that soon I will cut and solder shorter. These are the selective yellow, which have been here longer, hence the dust. This is my heated seat. They've run under there. Come down here. This will be hidden. This is the heated grip. These, I forget what these are called. These are really weird, but they kind of screw in. They're like easy taps. I was kind of trying them out, and 4 years later, still working good. But they're all wired up. Got some more here. And it's not too bad, you know. Run it through. I didn't have to take the tank off. That's good. But, you know, I mean, imagine taking this off. Now I got to do all this. So hopefully I don't have to do that very often. All right, here's the big reveal. So these are my selective yellow, all the way up. I typically run them about there. You know, daytime visibility. Nighttime you actually need less. They're pretty bright, you know. Nighttime I got tons of lights going on. So then there they are. Off, on, and that's full blast right there. And they're street legal, so you can use them full blast. You know, I don't need to run them slow. Let's try them out. I just kind of adjusted them by hand. I feel like they could be a little more level. I need wrenches for that. I gotta kind of tweak the... Yeah, it's a long story. Gotta tweak it a little bit because of the angle at which they're mounted. But for the most part, I actually kind of like it. It's wider on the edges. I should be able to see some deer over there, you know. See if I get flashed. So the left one, watch, will kick off, you can tell, when I hit my blinker. That's part of the whole Denali lighting system. And now you can see how it's kind of, how one light is not exactly level, and the other is about equally in the opposite direction. Okay, off.
I couldn't really tell when I clicked on. Maybe I was looking at the wrong spot. Now that's gonna blind cars. Good, I am illuminating the wall. Maybe I'll have to lean into my corners. Yeah, bear with me, it's early. Here's the roads that it really benefits. I mean, all the wildlife I can be spotting over there, and as I look over there I get hit from the left. You know, perhaps if there's a lot of twisties, you might be blinding opposite cars. I mean, you're dealing with a rectangle here. But, hey, safety first. What was that third? I forget. If I want to get far, then there's my brights. Combined with my brights, it's a lot of light, you know. This is up front. You don't get the distance, but it's not what they're meant for. You really got to hold yourself back, you know, when you look at images online, probably like this one. You know, everyone wants to buy lights that are just, oh my god, there's so much light. But how usable is it? You know, if you can't use it on the road where you're at, you know, 95% of the time or more, then what good is it? So, I know I was looking at a light that seemed like it was small, but in the real world, I'm seeing everything that I couldn't see before. So far so good. I'm gonna fine tune the adjustment. I kind of want to get them more squared up, right? I think I would blind less oncoming cars in a corner, you know, if they were a little squared, because one of them was peaking a little higher. But definitely pretty cool, man. Let's see here. Alright, that's without my brights. Low beams. Nice. Yep, there's a car up ahead. I probably work with them, so I shouldn't care. Alright, well there you go. Go get yourself some fog lights. Some fresh fogs. Get some foggies. It's like an airplane. Woo!